Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of your taskbar flickering or disappearing issue in Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So first of all, you just need to go to your taskbar and right click on it. Then you just have to click on Task Manager here. After opening your taskbar, you need to find your Windows Explorer here. So in my case, it's in the top now. So you need to find the Windows Explorer for your Task Manager. And after finding that, right click on it and you have to restart your Windows Explorer here. So just click restart and it will restart your Windows Explorer and also the Task Manager here. And as you can see, taskbar is back up right now. So hope this method will work for you. So this method, if this method doesn't work for you, there's another method you can do is go to your command prompt here. Go to search bar, search for CMD, run as administrator, then click yes. What you need to do is just copy and paste this command here, and you just have to press enter and it will wait to restart your PC, and hope this will solve the problem of your taskbar flickering and disappearing. So that's it guys. I will give the command in the description box so you can copy and paste it. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.